I feel like every other news is from Google. So, Google launched another interesting thing. It's called Sparkify. You can generate short videos using Gemini and Veo to create small stories and explanation videos. Let's take a look.
Behold, a vibrant green powder, more than just tea. This is matcha, a story centuries in the making. Our journey begins, ancient China, Tang Dynasty. Here, tea leaves were steamed, then ground into fine powder. Buddhist monks discovered its power, aiding focus, enhancing meditation. Tea became sacred. Then came Aizai, a Japanese Zen monk, journeying to China, seeking deeper Buddhist wisdom. He found more than wisdom. He found precious tea seeds and new ways to grow them, a treasure for Japan. Aizai returned seeds in hand, hope in his heart. The year was 1191. Japan's tea story was about to change. First, these seeds found soil in Uji, Kyoto, ideal climate, perfect terroir. The first Japanese tea gardens bloomed. Then, a pivotal step, shading the plants weeks before harvest. This boosted chlorophyll, creating that vivid green. Stone mills turned slowly, carefully transforming dried leaves into an ultrafine powder. Tencha became matcha. Matcha found its soul in the way of tea, chonoyu, a ritual of harmony, respect, purity, tranquility. Samurai warriors embraced it, nobility cherished it. Matcha culture flourished, a symbol of refinement. Centuries passed, matcha journeyed onward beyond Japan, lattes, desserts, a global sensation, ancient tradition, reborn. From ancient origins to modern tables, Aizai seeds planted a legacy, a vibrant green thread through history, delightful indeed.
Okay, you got the idea. Let's see more examples.
Humans out? Perfect. Nimbus, a fluffy silver tabby with striking sky blue eyes, eyes the messy house. Today, he's not just any cat, he's the cleaner. First up, the dishwasher. Nimbus attempts to load saucers one by one with his paws. Crash, helpful, isn't always tidy. Next, the dreaded vacuum. Nimbus bravely attacks the nozzle.
Okay, you got the idea. You can create an explanation video. Those were stylized, of course, but you can see it's not just like they were this fabric texture, but it can also be actually whatever. This one looks like origami, and there are some more realistic, and this one like an Pixar animation, furry, whatever. Basically what Veo 3 can do, but an entire story, short story about anything. And you can join the waitlist for now. You can choose your role here. I chose creator because why not? I can't do anything right now. Just watch some animation. But you can enter the waitlist because who knows? As everything from Google, things can come and go. So be aware of that.